If your iPhone's hotspot isn't turning on, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to share your internet. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show the step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Solution 1. Check your cellular data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular and make sure cellular data is enabled. Scroll down. Tap Personal Hotspot and ensure it's toggled on. If this is already turned on, then turn it off and turn it back on. If Personal Hotspot is missing, contact your carrier to confirm that your plan supports hotspot usage. Solution 2. Toggle Airplane Mode. Swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the Airplane Mode icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds. Tap the Airplane Mode icon again to turn it off. Go back to Settings and try enabling the personal hotspots again. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. After your iPhone restarts, go back to Settings. Tap on Cellular. Tap on Personal Hotspot and try turning it on. Solution 4. Update Carrier Settings. Open Settings and go to General. Tap About if a carrier settings update is available. You'll see a prompt to update. If there is no update, go back to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once your iPhone is updated, restart your iPhone. Solution 5. Contact your carrier. If none of these steps work, it's possible there's an issue with your cellular plan or carrier settings. Contact your carrier to confirm that your plan supports hotspot usage and that there are no service outages affecting it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your iPhone's hotspot not turning on. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips.